Good morning mga kababayan. It's our second day here in Kampot. Ayan, breakfast po namin.
Yeah, and this pancake is so yummy. I'm about to be full.
Hello guys. Good morning.
Morning.
So, mag-check out na kami sa hotel namin dito sa Mac. Dito po sa Kampot, Cambodia. Andun po sila daddy sa taas. Sila po yung nag-check out. Tapos, may pupuntahan tayo ngayon sa Bokor Mountain. Isang tourist spot din po ito dito sa Kampot province ng Cambodia. So, ayan, suot ko na naman ang aking powerful protection para sa aking arms kasi magmumotor po tayo. Samahan niyo po ako para makita niyo ang kagandahan ng Kampot, Cambodia. Join me, join us to go to Bokor Mountain so you can see the beauty of Kampot, Cambodia. So, ayun guys, tapos na kami mag-check out at etong motor na to, rerentahan namin para pagpunta natin sa Bokor Mountain.
Thank you.
Ayun po. Ang babait po ng staff dito sa Mac Hotel. Ayan. Ayan. Ito po, nagmamasya kasi halikabok po sa daan. Kaya ganyan. So, apat po kami sasakay dyan. Ewan ko lang kung ano to sa mountain. Makakaakyat yung motor. Check po natin mamaya.
This one, I think it's about for you.
So, yung luggage namin, iniwan muna namin. Kasi 12 noon yung check-out. So, iniwan muna namin. Pagbalik namin, saka namin kukunin. Pagbalik namin sa motor. So, ayun. The Bokor Mountain. It is a national park here in Kampot. So my kids and my husband is so excited. So andun na sila sa taas. They're there already at the top. So samahan, join me, join us to go here. We will go along this national park. I'm going to show you, to share to you the beauty of Bokor Mountain. So this is like a super giant Buddha who is sitting. These people are coming here to ask some help or pray for help, for guidance, for their business, to take exams like that, or get some for a job and teacher. Applications are approved, or if they're lucky enough, so they will go for a candle, bananas, and some bring waters and flowers. I am standing here on top of the big stone in front of the big statue. See, Buddha, the lady Buddha, that one. So I am standing in front of here. There's a big stone, so I climb. So you can see the beauty of the Bokor Mountain here. So we will go up to that far away mountains later. We will go around. I don't know how many hectares is this area. So going here to this mountain, you need to bring some water and snacks because you might get hungry, but don't worry, there's a food stalls in there, that blue roof thingy at my back. Before you before this lady Buddha, you can you can go there or stop there first before going here, so you can bring some water. So we go down from that lady Buddha there. So after that, there's still a food stall in here. Yes, that one at my back. Not only snacks, they also have rice, noodles. They can offer you like that. If you're hungry, so don't worry. But you can also bring your food going to this mountain. No worry in bringing food because it is just they allow the tourists to bring some food. Yeah, we are here in our second stop, Waterfalls. Then you have to an entrance ticket, but the ticket you can also claim together if you want the sugar cane. It's $0.75, and then for the water is 0.50 cents. 50 cents. Yeah. Hopefully there's a lot of waterfalls, like because actually this is our second time, me and my husband. Then for my kids, this is their first time. So
A giant pineapple.
no, it's not a pineapple. Uy.
It's like
I think there's a lot of water in the waterfalls today. Yeah, the first time we go here, like only a tiny of it that is falling water, and now I think that as I hear it, hopefully we can get a nice view of it. Because today is a rainy season, so I think and I believe that their waterfalls is not drying out like that, something thingy. And also near the waterfalls, there's a restaurant inside where you can buy some foods and drinks. There's a lot of seats inside and also in the outside. Yeah. So this is the waterfalls, guys. Very beautiful, and you cannot believe we are standing on the waterfall rock. Bottom of it is still there's a water falling. Yeah, so before we go to the other side, that side of the
so
waterfalls.
rocky and harder.
Yeah, before no, it's not, the current is not so strong.
But the rock's going down.
Now we cannot cross to the river
It's a raining season.
because the current is so strong. So before we got the view of where we are standing, and now we're standing on the top of the waterfall. See? So beautiful, isn't it? Super beautiful. Yeah, perfect. This is really an awesome view, guys. You need to experience it. Come to Kampot, Bokor Mountain. Wow, super. So we are on the last stop of our tour here. We're going there to the old church, but this is only 3 sites right there. There's a lot, but we don't have much time because we're gonna go back to Phnom Penh. Yeah. We need to catch up for our bus. We need to leave at around 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock because it's a 1-hour drive going here and going down to the town of Kampot. So I just need to. Here is the church. This is already an abandoned church at the top of this Bokor mountain. Again, this is my second time going here, and we bring our kids today because we want also them to travel. Like I do believe in travel is the best education for kids. So we're gonna go inside of the church. Gonna tour you around. This is a small church. So here it is now. So this is really the main entrance where we're going. And then this is a Roman Catholic church. There is a room at the back of the altar, but this is already a view. There's a lot of vandals already. That's the thing. There's a room. And then outside, I think this is the kitchen. Maybe the priests stay here before. Like maybe this church is built during the colonization of the France time. I don't know. There's no like seeing or writings. Yeah, I'm trying to find one. I don't know where this will. Maybe I will Google it later and I will put there's no saying or something. So we're going up to the hill. There's a best view for the city there. So come on, my daughter is calling me now. Wait, I will. I follow you. There, at the top of that mountain. So we are on the top of the mountain. Oh, the church is over there.
Alexei.
I don't know if you can see it. I can hardly see because the hut is yeah. That one is the church. Yeah. And this is so beautiful, guys. See?
But now there's mysterious tiles over here.
Yeah.
Me and Papa found mysterious tiles.
Yeah. See?
Like before this place didn't when
This is the view on top of the mountain. It's a little bit dark because there's a cloud rain that covers that area on the below. But super nice view. Breathtaking view. See that one? You can see the whole town of Kampot.
one of them is
See? Super. Good thing I have gimbal. This is my second time using it. Super nice view.
bird.
You can shout.
Ah!
That is the church. Church. On the center of this Bokor mountain, there is a village or like a subdivision, guys. That one. There are people cars coming in and out from this mountain. Yeah. Super. That one. This is the view of the church on the top of this hill. Like that one. Super nice. Super breathtaking view. So we're going back to our hotel because it's a 1 hour drive going down to the hotel. If you want to go here, guys, don't worry, the road is so concrete, no rough roads. It's not dusty also, and you have a lot of things to see here, but we only have limited time because we're gonna need to catch up a bus because we're going back now to Phnom Penh, so we need to hurry up. So I'm gonna let you see the map, so if you want to go here you will have an idea, but for us I'll give you a picture of the map on what places